What up?
What's up, dog?
I'm gonna get my shit real quick. What? Yeah, niggas really up this early.
Yo, what's going on, boys?
What's going on?
What's up, with y'all? What's up, with y'all? Alright. About to get right on
I ain't
into
gonna
this.
hold shit now.
You said what?
Oh shit today.
Yeah, let's see what's going on. We're gonna do the same shit we always do.
Mm.
Repeat.
Today's looking crazy.
You said what?
Today's already looking crazy. And that nigga Powell already spoke. What the hell?
We in a big ass range. We're trying to like break out of this area. I don't know if it'll happen yet though. We gonna see. We gonna see.
Yeah, I'm still kind of new to trading. What's the way to catch a breakout before it happens?
Uh, Catch retracements. I wouldn't even try to catch breakouts if you're a new trader, just simply because a lot of times you'll get stuff like this that happens where say
Mm-hmm.
it almost breaks out. And I say this happens more likely. You'll probably have a better chance of trading against breakouts than trading with breakouts. Because a lot of the
Okay.
time, like above these highs are going to be other people's stop losses and other people's take profits. And that's what ends up leading price to do things like this, where it tags them out and then runs the other
Mm-hmm.
direction. And if you look in the past, this happens very, very,
Quite
very
often.
often. Look, one, uh, two, three, four, and
Okay.
this is just
Okay.
within here. It's more likely
Yeah.
to have like a false breakout than have a real breakout. Not saying it's never gonna have real breakouts, but if you want to go with that, what's more likely to happen and what you have like a better say risk to reward, so what you could risk the least to make the most, you're gonna want to do
Mm-hmm.
things like this because when you try to say trade with the breakout expecting it to go higher, there's only a certain area your stop loss could be. It might have to be a little bit wider compared to if you know you want to see price go lower or higher after clearing a high. You can have a better risk to reward because now the upside or downside is going to be maximal. Because in a way, you're trying to catch a reversal, so you'll have
Okay.
the
That
best
makes
risk to
sense.
reward. Because keep in mind, like all this on a lower time frame is going to be a major move. So see how price ran above these highs right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is on the 15
So
minutes. So,
rejecting.
so if I go down to say the 5 minute, it's all going to look a little bit different. But
Okay.
see how it's
Okay.
like it's still very
It's kind of the
similar
same.
because all time
Yeah.
frames are the same. All time frames are the same. They're all going to show the same patterns. It's just not going to be at the same
The
time.
exact same.
It's not going to be
Yeah.
at the same
Okay.
time. It's because each time frame is a different. It's just time at the end of the day. Price is going to be the same regardless. There's things that you could look on the 15-minute time frame and you'll know is there, say on the hour time frame, just based off of candles. Like for example, these two up candles right here.
Mm-hmm.
If I go to since I'm on 15, if I go to the 30-minute time frame, that's a 30 month. Oh man, 30 minute. It'll be something similar. Like in this case, I guess it's not. There's a small doji, but so let me try the hour then. See, I was in one, and you're able to get that just based off of the lower time
Uh,
frame. But it comes with time.
okay,
It's just something that comes with once you look at it enough, you kind of get a better understanding of how it works in a way.
okay, okay. Appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, breakouts, it could work sometimes. Not saying they're never gonna work, but in my opinion, they're more likely to not work than work.
Okay.
Also, I like to wait for retracements a lot of the times too, because you can get it if you can get a retracement, you can kind of plan out. So remember how we saw this high ran it and then came lower?
Mhm,
When you're looking for
mhm.
a retracement, I just pulled a fib from this low and this high, and I'm ideally looking for price to make a run down to this area. Now, let's say there's highs or lows to the left of it that I would ideally want to see get ran through also. So then you can kind of picture a false break scenario potentially happening based off of
Ah,
other areas. If that
okay.
makes sense, yeah. So like say how this
Yeah.
this right here, I wouldn't have really had reason to take this trade right now. But now if there's other reasons, we have a retracement, we clear the lows, it will be below the opening price of the day. Clear London lows, have a potential reversal to the top side. That's something that could potentially happen. Or we can even get a situation where it runs this high right here and then comes lower. You never really know. It's just all about picking what you think is more likely to happen, taking the risk, and being disciplined enough
Yeah,
to
nah, you
not take
just
trades
taught me
after that.
something now.
Glad it helped. Hopefully, just try it yourself, like back test it, because you'll be able to. It'll be way easier once you see it more often than seeing it one time.
All right,
Just gotta try to
is that a
picture it.
trading view chart?
Yeah, this is trading view. Let me get US30 off my screen over here. US30's looking like Dookie, to say the least. So let me just get that shit off here. I think NASA is gonna be enough, especially because I'm playing with this hurricane. If this hurricane start knocking my power out, bro, I'm hopping on the hotspot.
Yeah.
I'm hopping on the
That shit
hotspot.
was gonna hit my area, but
I think it's going. I think it's something like first hurricane going right through Tampa Bay in 100 years.
Yeah,
I'm just a lucky guy. You feel me?
I'm right in the middle.
You in the middle?
Yeah, I'm in Ybor right now.
Oh man, shit. We about to get. I mean, nah, I might hit you. I ain't gonna lie. It was just
hurricane
might, bro.
parties.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. The club, they all talking about schools out for the week. We over here.
Oh
I'm like,
yeah.
yeah, y'all crazy. I feel it.
Welcome to Florida, Andre.
I'm like, damn, I want to go, but are the Ubers gonna be out? They better be out, cause I ain't walking home.
Yeah, hell no.
Them Ubers,
Nah.
it's gonna be snowy Ubers, bro. Everyone's gonna be waiting forever.
They gonna be turned up. Uber drivers gonna be.
See, I
Shit,
tried to order Uber yesterday. I was waiting an hour. My
damn.
driver switched 3 times.
I called a Uber for a girl yesterday, but the only thing is, I'm next to downtown, so there's always Ubers. Like it's only like
Yeah.
5, 6, cause they're just around, just driving in circles.
around.
Yeah, they just like waiting. That's why I'm glad where I am, but I think the hurricane's going like it's through the bay. It's gonna hit like Davis Islands and everything. This is different.
Yeah. But I was talking about it. I feel like it's gonna be the same as every year. It ain't gonna be that bad, but it's gonna be a little bad.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everyone's worried about it. I'm just like, shit, I'm gonna just stay inside. Worst comes to
That was
worst, like
long.
a fucking brick comes through my window, I guess, right? That's probably the worst that could happen. Like, shit.
Okay.
At least you ain't gonna get flooded.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I have my cars elevated. I'm good. If it somehow gets to like the 3rd floor, yeah, we may have a problem. But I think we'll have bigger problems
Good
in my
luck.
cars at that point.
I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, I highly doubt it. But yeah, I'm looking at this higher time frame too. This higher time frame that I have, I was
I want
looking
to
at
see this
potentially
previous day's
bullish.
high taken out.
The high.
Yeah, just because retail sentiment's already long, and I can see
Yeah,
us
I can
clearing
see
that
it.
high.
I can see it being cleared. Yeah.
How long y'all been trading?
3 years.
7 years,
Yeah, he a OG.
but I ain't on Andre level just yet. I'm just.
Nah, I ain't even on no level. I'm barely on your level, bro. You got more experience than me. That's all it really is.
I'll say this: I know how to trade.
I wouldn't even say I know how to trade. I be doing something. Like it works sometimes. It don't work sometimes.
You found your own strategy yet?
I
or
feel
you
like
I wouldn't even say
you
I
can
have a
tie in a
strategy.
little bit more fundamentals, Andre, and I feel like it'll
I don't
help
know.
you
I
out a lot.
don't care for fundamentals, bro. I really don't. Cause I know it's gonna move regardless.
Just tie it all in together.
I don't know. Maybe at some point, But right now it's like
You don't got to look that hard for fundamentals. So that's the thing. You don't got to look too into them.
what I used to do. Like I started doing, I would just write down all the times that we're gonna get high volume news on my whiteboard. Just the times of in the day. That's all it was.
You know,
That's the only thing I
time
would do.
affairs.
Cause I don't really care if it's good or bad news. I care to know when the news is though. That's one thing. Cause I don't really know when there's news like later on in the day, FOMC. Cause I don't be trading that time anyway. So a lot of the time, the big impact news will either probably just make price consolidate for me. It'll never really like fuck me up bad, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that do.
Cause usually like it's like a lot of volume comes in at those like times, FOMC, NFP. NFP I try not to trade. That shit is devious.
That's actually kind of smart to just look at the times.
Yeah, cause you gotta keep in mind it could be good news and then still fall, or it could be bad news
Yeah,
and still go up. But then it could be good news and go up, or it could be bad news and go down. It's like shit doesn't make sense anyway. So
yeah.
I'm just going off of what the chart is telling me, and I'm going off of what time it is, cause I know there's gonna be volume. So if I say I come into we start clearing this high, going into 10
Hmm.
o'clock or 9:30 at the open, it's gonna give me a little bit of a more likelihood to think price is going to have a reaction from that area because we are in a certain area that I wanted to see get cleared or have a reaction from at a certain time. It's just another level of confluence. Because even if you look in
Yeah.
the past, I look at this high right here, 10 o'clock.
Hmm.
This low down here, 15. This low, 11:15. This high, 4:15. This low, 21. See how it's like usually within
Yeah.
certain times. And when you have an idea that you can get like a good indication on when's going to be a certain higher low of the day. Like yesterday, I was saying how I like this low because it was made at 2 o'clock. It cleared the Asian session low, and it kind of left that previous day's low there. And as you can see, that ended up being the low of the day. And you can see how price was moving away from that area at that. We ended up
Yeah.
consolidating, but you can see price never ran below that low, and it made
Hmm.
it the low of the day. And when you're able to like go multiple days with seeing that, you get a this is a level of confidence that you get because like okay, I know that this is likely to happen because I've seen it damn near 100 different days. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
A lot of it comes with
Hey,
time.
looking at the 4 hour, look like we might get a push back up close to like 11,800.
For Nas.
11,800.
But what's today? Tuesday?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Right. Yeah, I can see this
11,800.
maybe towards the end of the.
God, I was about to say. I hope it's not today. If it's by today, I'll get off the charts right now.
No, definitely
I'll
not.
get off the
No,
charts
because it's
right now.
Tuesday.
I was about to say, sheesh, but yeah, it's
It's
possible.
Tuesday.
I don't like these 4 hour candles though. They're starting to like the volume is not there. We could just get a big push at the open or 10, but we gonna see.
Got all this news coming in today.
At what
That's
time?
Could be a lot of manipulation shit soon. You got one coming up in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, eight,
I'm about to check right
45
now.
minutes.
45 minutes. Yeah. I only look at the high impact, so we have at 10. I think that's the only one that's really gonna matter. 10.
Yeah.
And what I've learned about 10 is usually like a reversal. That 10 o'clock news a lot of time is like a reversal, or it's a like a retracement, but it's still a reversal in a way. And like retracement is a reversal. It's just the way you look at it, I guess, right?
Mm.
Because everything's
What are your main
retracement something.
trade?
You said what?
Like your what are your main pairs you trade?
US 30 and NAS 100, but primarily NAS 100. Maybe US 30 here or there, but primarily NAS now. I used to trade US 30 for the longer, like 2.5 years though, just strictly.
I sleep in somebody's garage.
Nope, Jenner. What's up, bro?
Yo, my fault. I'm just getting set up.
Oh, you good, bro?
Oh, you on FaceTime?
No.
Oh.
We got this little gap in here. We about to see about the fair value gap, like a small one right here. That's what needs to get filled. I'll keep that in mind. Anything else? We got one on the hour right in here. You also got one below. Is that a wick? can't even tell. Hold on. Yeah. Let me just mark up these areas so I don't forget them later. Put that back there. All right, but now let me see this how this looks. All right, we got a fair value gap above that previous day's high and above these highs right here. That also lines up with 500, 11,500. So that's definitely going to be something I'm keeping in mind. Then we have multiple fair value gaps in this area below here.
So I'm seeing Powell's going to speak again tomorrow. So another, potential scenario, we go low, create that low of the week, and then go bullish the rest of the week and hit that 11,800
You
reverse
said
at the end of the week.
he speaks when?
Tomorrow.
I think we can start getting bullish this week then. It depends how today closes. Yeah. If we get an engulfing, we might have a retracement tomorrow, say London or something. Then push for the majority of the day. And we can start getting back to.
But if you look left too, there's a lot of liquidity sitting there too. There's like a pool of liquidity. It's just
we ran all through this too, without having a retracement. So I think after this we could, but I don't know. That weekly low could get ran, but it just depends how today closes. Like I said, if we get an engulfing, then I doubt we'll make that run lower tomorrow. But if we close like we did yesterday, it could come a little bit lower.
That's what I thought last week, though. I thought we was gonna run the weekly low and then go up, but
I don't know. It's a weird range right now. I feel like that 11,800 area to 12,000 is where prices likely to be attracted to more short term. Because if we make this low, I don't think we're just gonna start pushing Thursday, Friday right away. Probably just keep dropping, and then from there, we'll probably come down all the way to say 10,600. That's crazy. We going to the shitter. We really just slowly making our way lower.
That nigga Putin speeding up everything.
Bro, this is just. I'm really peeping the numbers we're saying. Like a few weeks ago, I was calling Walt crazy. He was saying like what? He was saying some crazy number.
I said 11.5.
I think he was like 10.8. He was like 10.8.
Like 11,000.
Yeah, he was like 11,000. I'm thinking you're crazy, man. Now, I don't think you're so crazy, Walt.
What we saying today? What's going on?
We're seeing a lot,
big bears,
but seeing nothing at the same time. If that makes sense. But nah, bears. I don't know. It depends where we push from the open. If we start to drop, then I might look for longs. But if we push at the open, I'm only looking for shorts. Just because where we're gonna be at,
today, right?
Yeah, 10. So I think if we push, I think likely with the news we'll keep pushing, clear that high, tap for value gap. Maybe what time is it now? Maybe like 10 o'clock we'll start get the reversal. Or maybe I don't even know. I want to see prices remain bullish.
I mean, it looks like it wants to push bullish though, bro.
Higher time frames bullish, but this intraday is it looks like it might be a trending day type of thing. If we just push.
Remember, they're trying to crash the market still.
Yeah, but based off higher time frame, it depends how this closes though. Because if we go for that previous day's high, then this is gonna be an engulfing. It could potentially engulf 2 candles if it gets that previous day's high. It could go for the other candles high at that point, but
it do got ground to make up though.
If it is. I don't know. The intraday is weird. I don't like these lows. I want to see these lows get ran. I don't trust this is going to be our low of the day. I don't trust that. It could, but I don't think so, personally. But we will see. Only time will tell.
What time frame are you on right now?
I'm on 15? The 15, yeah.
Yeah, I was personally looking for it to clear that at least that previous high right there, that short-term previous high, that lower high.
This one?
No, above it. Yeah, I want price to push up if we're bearish on the open, like you're saying. I wanted it to clear that high.
Yeah, it cleared this high, so if it wants to fall, I say it should fall now. But if it's gonna keep pushing, then that previous day's high is right there, and then we have 11,500 in this gap. So I think it could not touch that gap, but I'm cool with missing it. if it doesn't come all the way into this area. From there, if we drop far enough, I'm gonna be looking for longs, just based off of how this higher time frame may look. So from where is that? This is 250 also. So where is that on 250? 250 is significantly low. If we make it down to 250, who's saying we're gonna keep going higher?
I only think that it will go higher to make up some of the ground that it fell through.
Powell's the only person that can really move the market right now.
What I'm thinking might personally happen, just changing my bias low key, because I'm probably not gonna get a trade today. Just looking at how it is, I'm not really. It's alright. I think we might get something like this. It might just keep going like that. I don't think I'm gonna get a trade.
I can see that because we did clear that low right there. That's the only thing, but I think it might be short term just to clear that high.
Yeah, we're gonna see though. Right now, it's not looking like I'm gonna get anything today so far. I don't really like this London low, so I would want that taken out. But just based off how this higher time frame, I would rather see price go long. If it keeps going long, I'll have a better chance of catching a trade tomorrow when I actually know we're bullish or not consolidating. Because for all I know, this can come back in this consolidation and just do shit all. All this right here, it says chilling in here. We're not really going nowhere. So like he was saying, Powell speaking tomorrow. We're getting out of this box somewhere, either up or down. I just think it's more likely to be up. Yeah, as of right now.
Yeah,
it's looking like a chilling day.
They're saying that shit could tank any day now, bro.
Shit always could have tanked any day though. That's how I look at it. You never really know. It could be some dumb shit that makes prices fall 1,000 pips, 1,000 points. It don't even got to be anything important either.
Bro, I heard some dumb shit, and they were saying that this is gonna bring US 30 down to 5K. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah, they're smoking more than Walt. Shit.
Nigga, that's a lot dropping. They're saying, but this is a global
5K is crazy.
Bro, 5K is insane, nigga.
That's insane.
That shit's not going to 5K. If it goes to 5K, bro, I'm loading up on everything. Bitcoin, I'm loading up on Ethereum. I'm putting my life savings into life.
It's gonna be that bad, bro, because if you think about it, all the economies are crashing at the same time.
Yeah, but you know how it is, bro. They're gonna make you say. They're saying that to make you fear. It's all gonna be the same shit.
Personally, it makes me excited because I know we can make money off that.
Yeah, but they don't know that because they don't know what you know. That's why. But basically, like the way the news, the way everything, they make you fear. They make you take money out. They make you do all these things that they know you're gonna react to because human emotions are.
Bro, I'm gonna load up on these coins, bro, because when that shit crashes, the whole reason I feel like they're crashing this market so that they can implement and regulate crypto into the economy.
Shit, it's only a retracement. That's all it is.
No, so yeah, that's why I was telling my wife yesterday. I was like, bro, it's all just to set up this new.
Because they want the digital world. They're trying to get rid of the paper money. You feel me?
It's all a retracement. That's all it is. Everything that goes up gotta come down. Whatever goes down gotta go up.
It really is one big ass retracement.
That's all it is. We just pushed up. Now we just got. There has to be a reason for a higher time frame retracement. That's all. It's all charts at the end of the day. Still, you feel me?
Yeah, all the same shit.
No, what's going on, Martin? I don't know. You're probably at work. I'm not sure, but what's going on, bro?
I'm saying US 30 to 5K is crazy.
Nah, US 30 to 5K is like saying Bitcoin to 200. 200.
Yeah, bro. They saying shit about Bitcoin too, bro.
Yeah, they could say all they want. That shit's not gonna fall that fast.
For real. It's not even like anything is getting singled out. They're saying everything is gonna die.
I don't think they understand. Shit can't drop that fast. Even if it was to go to 5K, that's gonna be long term. Long term.
That happened over a few weeks.
Like just how it was like Dogecoin to $1, bro. That shit was barely at 10 cents. They thought that shit was gonna really fucking go to the moon. Like nah, even if it is gonna go to the moon, it's gonna take time, just like everything else. If it's gonna go to 5K, it's gonna go to 5K over probably like a few years.
It depends on how much money they're fluctuating through the market.
Yeah, but even then, that's a lot of.
I will say,
a lot of people gonna lose money if that was happening. Big people too.
If we go through a depression
now, bro. I be on the Wall Street bets, John, on Reddit, and bro, niggas be losing their whole savings consistently, bro.
Consistently.
Like, bro, I'm talking like 70 bands, bro.
Oh, risk management.
Bro, it's
See, I
crazy.
knew I
Because they be
wasn't
doing
tripping.
Robin Hood shit.
You know, I don't feel bad for anybody.
Nah, I
that
don't
does that.
either. If you give up, then you deserve to take that loss.
There was this one nigga, bro. He openly admitted to losing his money, bro. I swear. He was
Hey,
like,
it starts with getting out of denial.
he gonna talk about he bought 70K the one day that he was like, I'm expecting it to be a little rough in the beginning. And then he posted his joint a few days later. He lost like 15 bands off the 70 that he put in. And he was like, I was expecting it to be a little rough in the beginning. I'm like, bro, you just literally admitted to purposely losing money. Like, what is wrong with you? If you knew it was gonna go down, why would you buy?
I guess he was trying to get in early. That was probably the only valid reasoning.
Niggas just be that shit is honestly crazy to look at sometimes, bro. I seen a nigga lose $230,000 on Robinhood, bro.
Shit, that's light work.
Hey, I went to Atlanta and I seen niggas have a money throwing competition. Nigga threw 500 bands.
Oh, why he do that? He should have
Just
gave
the
it.
flex.
He
Just
should
the
have gave it to
flex.
me, bro.
Right, bro. They got that nigga.
Nah, he deserves to get jumped after that.
They got that
Jumped and robbed. Cause like, damn, at least shit. I hope he tipped the bartenders with that much. God damn, bro. You could tip the people that's partying with you.
nigga. Everybody ate that night. That's all I got.
Walking out the club with my feet on the ground, skating and shit.
Oh man, I would have been putting my feet to the floor, making sure them dollars stay to it. They coming out with me.
Mm-hmm.
I would have been heavy
I can't
stomping
help
that
it. My
shit.
shoes are made like this.
Real shit. Them like, why you got Velcro? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Those three numbers under where it say New York midnight open, is that your take profit or where you think price is gonna hit?
These three.
Yeah.
This is just an area that I think price is likely to have a certain reaction because it's a fib. Since you're new, I'm not sure if you know what a fib is, but a Fibonacci basically it's just showing how far something is gonna retrace. So say for example, price is here, it has a big push, right? You would want to pull a fib from that low to the high. So say from the low to the high, and it's just gonna give you an area. This is just a retracement. So if you look at the tools, 62%, 79%, 70.50%. It's just, you got the 50%. It's just showing how far price is going to retrace. So it could retrace 20%, 50%, 70%. And the deeper it retraces, the better risk you're going to have because if it's going to be a real retracement, it should not run this low. So it just gives you a better risk to reward. So if you can pull a fib, from areas such as the previous day's highs or certain sessions, you're going to get an area where price is likely to have a reaction. I remember how I was saying earlier, you just kind of tie it with other things. So that's just one small reason I have for that. We also have higher time frame reasoning. We have the Asian session to the left of it. We have this low that I want to see get ran. You just kind of tie it all together. But yeah, I like the fib. The fib is something that I try to use a lot. The only thing is you want to make sure you're using the fib correctly. So drawing it from certain areas, such as the previous day's highs, session lows, because those are going to be what other people are looking at. Because if you pull a fib from something that's like has from 3 days ago to today, it's just kind of a random fib, and it's not really going to affect you short term. I'm looking at what's going to likely have a reaction within now, the next hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes.
That makes sense.
So it's like shorter term. But then you can have higher time frame ones, such as up here, so people don't get confused. So if you look over here too, what's going on? And just like that, hurricane's coming in, huh?
Martin, I just saw your message.
Oh yeah, hurricane is coming after me, boys.
Other way you can look at
you trying to
other things.
This shit is really like.
Better not be no trades.
we good. We good. We good. Yeah,
They really
yeah.
did MT4 dirty over the weekend.
I connected to the Ethernet. Fuck you talking about? Yeah, I gotta look at the camera. The camera's how I know if I'm lagging. All right, we good. We good. Whew. Jesus.
Did y'all update my phone yet?
Nope.
I was about to say don't do it because my girl told me that when they update it, it deletes and reinstalls all the apps on your.
Oh yeah, never. Oh my lord, bro! It's like Trading View. Trading View is killing my.
And I don't think so.
Is it Trading View?
Bro, it's like Trading View is killing my internet. Hold on.
It's a weird post. If y'all all got your cameras on.
I hope we create this low of the week today.
Look, bro, it is Trading View. I took it off and I'm not lagging. Bro, why is Trading View being like that? What's going on here?
Weird. You had it up the whole Zoom.
I don't know. It just started acting crazy out of nowhere. All right, I'm gonna just keep waving my arm right now just to make sure this shit is not dying off. All right, we're gonna switch it over here. All right, is my chart good?
Yeah.
Bro, why is it? I give up. Hold on. I don't know why it's being like that. It is dying. Just close. Just close. All right, I'm not even like it's. I don't know. It's only Trading View. Like Trading View's fucking it up. I'm gonna try to go on Trading View on the actual like web browser because this is acting crazy.
So if you, okay, I'm pretty sure you can let somebody else put their chart up if yours doesn't work.
Yeah.
Like I know Cal has a chart.
Yeah, worst comes to worst, I'll just do that.
And my shit's simple setup. I just got the little 3-point outline and the age range marked up. So
they gonna be like, I don't know what I'm looking at.
They're
gonna be like, I don't get it. Where are the lines?
So where are the lines?
Bro,
so
all
why
right.
is everything look at color?
Yeah, one of you. I'm gonna give one of you hosts.
Fuck,
just in case. I'm gonna give it to Cal.
Give it to.
Oh,
you usually go right now. Bro.
Huh?
I didn't even know you went.
I've been here since Friday.
All right, I gave you the host of
Weird.
it.
How's it been?
Been lit. First 2 days. Well, first day was cool. Second day I got slaughtered. Third day I was hungover the entire day. And then yesterday I was back to life. Had to hit the sauna and hot springs.
All right, Cal, I gave you the host so you can share your screen and everything. Hopefully my charts aren't acting crazy again. Yeah, my shit is critical right now. Holy mackerel.
Y'all see my screen?